ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Miss Bean Pinky. So in today's video, I'm going to do this look. This is a very simple wearable holiday season makeup look. So this look came out really well and I love the eye look, and I have given a touch of glitter here so that it looks like a holiday look. You can also wear this look for New Year's Eve. This is very natural and yet very glamorous kind of look. So yeah, without further ado, let's see how I created this look. So yeah, let's begin. First, I'm going to do my face, and for this I'm first going to prime my face. I have used a moisturizer in the morning, but I have to prime. So today I'm going to use this my favorite NYX Pore Filler Primer. Now I'm going to apply a setting spray. This is a oil control fixing spray by Makeup Revolution. Okay, now I'm literally not happy today just because I'm using this foundation which I don't like. So yeah, I haven't used this foundation since I bought. So I have used only one time, but I didn't like it. Like, this is Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation. This one, I've got like 2 bottles of this, which is all full. So this one is in shade 10 Deep Golden, and this one is in shade medium 10 Honey. So I've got no idea which one suits me or not, but I will go for this 10 Deep Golden today. So I will be applying some fixing spray on my beauty blender like this. And this is that beauty blender which I did the review on my channel. It's from In Stylish. This is literally a very good beauty blender. This foundation comes like this. Look. This is literally dark. It's deep, but I like it. I think this foundation is okay. Now I will be applying some concealer. So today I'm using this Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer by ELIZA. Yeah, I haven't used this in a while now, so I thought of using it. I will be doing my brows with this xoxo Studio Brow Pencil in the shade dark brown, and literally this is my current favorite one. Okay, now I will be applying a little bit of concealer under my brows just to clean the brows. And here I am using this PHOTOFOCUS concealer by Wet n Wild. Okay, now I will be setting all the places where I have applied concealer with this Ofra Cosmetics banana powder, and this is one of my favorite setting powder for under eyes. And then I will be setting all other places where I have applied the foundation with this Wet n Wild's Photo Focus pressed powder in the shade Warm Beige. And the brush is of course the number 3 brush by BEIGE Cosmetics. So now I will be bronzing my face with this Wet n Wild bronzer. And I am using this Morphe's bronzer brush here. Now I will be applying some blush, and today I'm using this blush palette by Makeup Revolution. This one is their Hot Spice blush palette. So it comes with 8 shades like this, and I'm using this shade today, this one. Now I will be applying some highlighter, and today I'm using this highlighter by MAC Cosmetic. This one is soft and gentle. And I will be applying a little bit of this highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes and also under the brow bone area. What's that? Did you eat your breakfast?
No.
Go make something.
Too lazy.
Okay. This is done, so I will set all this makeup up with this Supreme Hold Finishing Spray by Makeup Revolution. This is one of the best, I think. It makes your makeup last longer, and it holds the makeup the way like it doesn't crease, and that's it. And this foundation is literally good. Like if you apply a little bit of it, this foundation is good by Tarte. So for the eyes today, I'm using this palette by Jaclyn Hill, and this is in a collaboration with Morphe. So this one comes with a mirror, and the shades are really pretty. I have bought this palette like last year and I haven't used it. So this is the first shade I'm using today, Hush Hush. And for this I'm using a blending brush, and I will be applying this color on the crease today, and I'm using this Zoeva's 228 Luxie crease brush. And now I will be using a different palette, and this is by Revolution, Makeup Revolution. I love Revolution palette, I think, Angel Heart palette. So this is one of my favorite. So like I don't have some colors in that palette which I want to use, so I am using, gosh, sorry, I'm using this orangey brown, I think, on the outer part and also taking it in the crease. And for this I'm using a blending brush, and I've got no idea where my brushes are, like literally. So I'm using this blending brush. This is a small blending brush by Zoeva, and this is a Luxie crease brush. So I will be applying little bit under the crease area and outer part with this brush. Okay, now I will apply little bit of this color. Got no idea what I should apply on it. Okay, I'm applying this bling bling now, and this color I will apply on the lid. So here I am using this Sigma Shader Lid Brush E56. Then I will be taking the Luxie crease brush, which I have applied the colors on the outer part. I will just blend this part. So now I will be creating a wing, and for this I will be trying this Flick and Correct Makeup Revolutions liner. This is a pen liner, I think. Okay, this looks like this. It's a big one. It's by Makeup Revolution. This side is the liner, which is a long one, and this side is a corrector. So if you make mistake, you can wipe it off with this side. This is good. So I will just create a wing. And I think I will create a wing kind of in the inner corner. Okay, now I will be applying a black liner on my waterline, and here I am using a black liner by Makeup Revolution. It's their retractable liner. Okay, now I will be blending all this lower part, and I'm taking this same shade which I've used it earlier from this Makeup Revolution palette, this brown one, and I will smudge the down liner part. Also, I have dragged it a little bit outwards. Okay, now I will be applying this mascara by Model Co. It's their Power Lash Mascara in the color black. I really like this one. And after applying mascara, I will be applying some lashes, and this one is by Huda Beauty Sophia. And with this dark adhesive lash glue by Adele. So let's apply the mascara first, then we'll see about the lashes. Now I will be applying some glitter, like why not, it's holiday season, so we should apply some glitter. So I'm using this BYS glitter liner, and I'm gonna just apply on the top part here. So this is a brandy wine lip liner by Wet n Wild I'm using today. Okay, now I am going to use this Style London's lipstick, and this one is in shade Rosewood. This is a pretty nude kind of shade. I don't want to leave this like this just because I want a glossy lip, so I'm applying this Floss gloss. I love this. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you liked it. So if you are going for somewhat like a natural look, you can go for this look. I am in love with this eye look and it came out really well, and yeah, I love it, and I hope you liked it too. So if you wish to see more of these kinds of video, then do subscribe to my channel, do turn on the bell notification, and also join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.